Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple Watch Series 9 pairing with iPhone step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Next, power on your Apple Watch Series 9 by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. When the watch starts, you will see a language selection screen. Choose your preferred language by tapping on it. Once the language is selected, bring your iPhone close to your Apple Watch. A message should appear on your iPhone prompting you to set up the watch. Tap Continue on your iPhone. Now, you will see an animation on your Apple Watch. Hold your iPhone over the watch so that the watch face is centered in the viewfinder on your iPhone screen. The iPhone will recognize the watch and display a pairing animation. Tap Pair on your iPhone to begin the pairing process. You may be prompted to set up the Apple Watch as a new device or restore it from a backup. Choose the appropriate option based on your preference. Follow the on-screen instructions to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you will be prompted to create a passcode for your Apple Watch. Enter a passcode or select Don't use passcode if you prefer. Configure your Apple Watch by selecting the features you wish to enable, such as activity tracking and notifications. You will then be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password to proceed. Once logged in, your iPhone will begin syncing with your Apple Watch. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. When the sync is complete, you will receive a confirmation on both devices. Your Apple Watch is now paired with your iPhone and ready for use. You can customize further settings directly from your iPhone or the watch itself. To finish, wear your Apple Watch comfortably on your wrist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.